In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change miles to kilometers in Google Maps. It's a simple process that can make navigation easier for those who prefer using the metric system. To get started, open up the Google Maps app, and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap Settings. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down, and you'll see a section called Using Maps, and in that section, you'll see an option called Distance Units. Just tap on it. As you can see, right now, it's set to automatic. So if you want to set a specific distance unit, simply tap and select it. In this case, we want the distance unit to be kilometers, so just tap and select kilometers. Once you've done that, go back, and the changes will be saved. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.